Do you know why we say Alhamdulillah every time we sneeze? The velocity of a sneeze is almost 100 miles per hour and lasts 1 second. Sneezing loudly can even break one of your ribs. Holding your nose and closing your mouth while sneezing can cause air to be trapped between your lungs and a ballooning blood vessel in the brain, which could potentially lead to death. When you sneeze, your whole human body system comes to a halt and stops functioning, including your heart. You basically come back to life after every time you sneeze. So next time you sneeze, remember what happens to your body and glorify Allah Almighty.